Okay, so on this last one, keep in mind, they're not always going to have a constant, but most of them will on your homework. A train averages 40 miles per hour between two cities. Use a graph to show the relationship between the time and the distance traveled. Does anyone have any ideas on what the equation will be? Alex? No, because t is time, so you're missing a variable. We have two variables and we have 40. So we have t, which represents the time, d is the distance, and then we have 40, which represents 40 miles per hour. Haley, what do you think? Yes. So d equals 40t. So then all I have to do, since it gives us the numbers in the t-chart on the left, all I have to do is plug our numbers in for t. Because you can see at the top that it tells you that this is t, so all of these represent the time that we're testing. So our equation is d equals 40t. So in this first one, it's going to be d equals 40 times 1. We know 40 times 1 is 40, so that's our distance. So what's our ordered pair? What are we going to graph? Vinny? Not quite. What is our t? Callie? 1. So it's going to be 1, 40. And that means that for every hour, that if we drive 1 hour, then we go 40 miles. That's what that's saying. So on this next one, we have d equals 40 times 2. 40 times 2 is 80. So what's my ordered pair now? Benny? There you go. 2, 80. So that's saying that if we drive 2 hours, we're going to travel 80 miles in that time. So now we have d equals 40 times 4. Aries, what's our answer on that one? Yes, 160. So our ordered pair is 4, 160. And then our last one is d equals 40 times 6. What's our answer for that one? Alex? 240. So if we drive for 6 hours, we would have gone 240 miles. And our ordered pair would be 6, 240. And then make sure you plot all of those. So we have 1 over 1, up 40, over 2, up 80, over 4, up 160, over 6, and up 240. What'd you say? Oh, good. Okay, so notice that both of these graphs are in a straight line. They're linear because as the x changes, the y changes too. It depends on the x. Any questions? Yes. Any what? Oh, yes, I forgot to do that. Yes, we can pull punch them. Okay, you guys can go ahead and start on your homework if you have questions. I'll go over number 4 because that one's a little tricky. Number 4, the first one on the homework. I'll hand out your work paper.